Hello everyone. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to program your Hula Drone. Okay, once you enter your Hula app, okay, you come to this program lab area. Okay, I'm currently not connecting to drone. We can choose single, okay, single and give a name. Okay, let's say we call it test one, then confirm. Okay, wait for your app to finish loading. Okay, this is your drone, and we are going to we can look at these are the program. This is very similar to um, those pre-programmed code. So what you need to do is just to drag it in. Just drag whatever command you want. Okay, let's look at event. We start with event. This is the when the play button is clicked. Okay, when the play button click, we begin. So what we do, we have to start with this, then go to start flight order. So first thing you need to do is to tick off. Okay, now you can see it will connect. So every block, this is a block of code, okay, already pre-written. Okay, after you tick off, you can fly. Okay, fly to which direction. Okay, you can fly to the front and how many cm. 1.2, let's say 120 cm. With the speed you can put 50%, since we want to see how it flies, and so we let it fly slowly. Okay, fly to the front, 120 cm. And what is next, what you want it to do, we can choose, we can let it turn. We can let's see, I think that is they got light. Okay, we can select this one. So after you fly 120 cm, we will use light. So you can see we have three LED RGB. You can select the color uh, by adjusting uh, the power of different LED. You can choose colorful lantern. You want it to flash, up to you. So choose one. Okay, you can choose colorful lantern. How long? 5 seconds. So after we have done this, what do you want to do next? Okay, let's go back to flight order. We want it to turn. We want the drone to turn clockwise 90 degree. After that, I would like it to fly forward again. Fly fly to front, maybe another 100. No need to be 120, up to you. Slowly 50, get 50%. And what you want to do next. So these times we can ask the drone to bounce. Okay, bounce 3 times, 50 cm, or you can adjust bounce 30 cm 3 times. Okay, after finish bouncing, you can set the drone to turn again clockwise 90 degree. Okay, clockwise 90 degree. Now we can let it move. Okay, fly to the front. This one, how far you want to fly? 100. Okay, 100 cm with 50% speed. Okay, fine. Okay, fly to the front, 50% speed. What you want it to do? Okay, you can ask the drone to fly in radius, in a circle, radius of 50 cm clockwise. Okay, so it will fly clockwise. Okay, after you finish, you can program the drone to turn again. Turn again clockwise 90 degree, and then you can ask the drone, um, maybe this one flip. Oh, okay, flip. to the front or flip to the right. Then you program again, turn clockwise 90 degree. After that, flight order. Or do you want the drone to hover first? Hover for 5 seconds. After that, you can also ask the drone to change color. Change color. This time, we do a flash of maybe red. We want to tell that we are going to land. Okay, maybe red is also signaling we are out of battery. So probably we can use other color that you can think of. Okay, maybe blue is fine. Flash the blue color for another 5 seconds. Okay, let's see. We can choose others color. Any other like blue? Okay, something like this, white color, flash for 5 seconds. After that, you can program the drone, ask the drone to land. This one, okay, landing. Okay, fine, finish. So what we do next is we have a simulation here. We can show the grid. Show the grid. After that, you can. This is running. So what we want is we want simulation. We just click play. Okay, so now you can see the drone will fly to the front and fly to the right, do bouncing, turn right. After that, fly circle. After that, turn clockwise 90 degree or flip. After that, turn hovering for 5 seconds, then blink and then land. Okay, this is how you finish. Um, of course, definitely after you connect the drone, you can connect to the drone and run. Okay, so let's try it out during our CCA lesson. Thank you.